So festive season is finally here and we all get so caught up with puja preparations, preparing for parties, attending parties and getting ready for all of that. And usually don't get to take time out for our self-care. So I thought why not share some grooming products with you that will help you save time during this festive season and still get some much needed self-care and self-love in. And who knows, you might find something that you might want to gift your moms, your sisters, who all get so busy during this time. So let's get started. The first thing is an electric hair trimmer. Now it's super portable, so you can carry it around with you wherever you go. Now when you don't have times to go to the salons for say an upper lip threading or your eyebrows or your chin or forehead or your peach fuzz, you can easily use this and it's super safe to use. It also helps the makeup go onto your skin very smoothly. So during the festive time when you need to put long lasting makeup that looks fresh all the times, this will actually come in pretty handy. What I love using this for is my chin and my upper lip, because I'm also lazy to go to the salon just for these two things. So this comes in super handy. The next thing is a callus remover. Now these are great for at-home pedicures, but I would recommend using it almost every day or alternate days so that you can avoid going to the salon for pedicures so often. It also helps you save money because pedicures are expensive. But I would recommend that whenever you use this, always make sure that your feet are well soaked and soft. Only then go in with this. This exfoliates all your hard, dead skin cells. And if you're using this on a regular basis, your feet will anyway be soft and will not require pedicures so often. And during this time where you anyway don't have the time, this is a great product that comes in handy. Next up is an eyeliner or kajal. Now I am someone who's also spoken about completely natural makeup routines where I also end up not putting an eyeliner a lot of times. In fact, that's great for an everyday routine, but when it comes to the festive season, you need and you must add like an eyeliner or a little bit of kajal or maybe like a bold eyeliner as well to really amp up and add to that festive glam. You can either go for a gel eyeliner, the sketch pen ones, or a regular kajal pencil. Next up is actually one of my favorites, and this is a self-heating cap with a hair mask. Now I tried this last year and I did a full video on it also, but I made everyone around me try it as well, and needless to say they all loved it. It comes with hair mask as well as a self-heating cap. So if you've ever got a spa at a salon, you know that they put this huge machine that gives out steam and really softens and moistens your hair. This cap actually does it on its own, so it's a very cool product and I absolutely love it. Gonna link it down below for you guys. In fact, all the products will be linked down below. Next up is a detan face wash. During this time when we are running around for back-to-back pujas and festivals, the skin tends to take a toll and may look dull and tanned. The Pond's detan face wash, however, comes in super handy because it helps get rid of this tan and also gives a brighter glowing skin. This also has vitamin C and niacinamide, which helps target the dark spots, dullness, and gives you a really nice, radiant, brighter skin. It's perfect for the festive season because it gives you a very nice festive glow, and it's actually clinically proven to show visible differences in 7 days. So if you want to try it out, I'm of course going to be linking it down below for you guys. With so many different festivals, you actually need to be experimenting with a lot of different hairstyles as well. And like I said, we are always short of time during this festive season. So keeping some hairstyling tools handy with you is great. So a straightener, maybe a curler, a hair dryer. These are some hairstyling tools that you should keep with yourself. In fact, Dyson, although on the pricier side, comes with all the 3-4 different attachments. So you have a straightener, you have a curler, you have a dryer. In fact, about 6 attachments that come with it. But if you don't have the budget for Dyson, you get some amazing hairstyling tools from Remington or Philips even that you can check out. Bindis are another product that you must keep with you during this festive season. Now, I'm someone who doesn't wear a lot of bindis very often, but I feel like when it comes to festivals, you need to go all out in traditions, and wearing bindis makes you look way more feminine, elegant, and adds to that whole Indian attire. Different sizes and different colors out there. Keep a set of different colors, maybe even a black bindi, a silver bindi, so that you can pair it with a lot of your outfits. Next up are face rollers. You get these easily on Amazon or Nykaa, and these are great for depuffing your face early in the morning. So if you're sleeping late during these days, you may wake up with a very puffy face. So doing like a face roller or some face yoga early in the morning will really help sort of depuff and make you look instantly brighter and more awake. Moving on to product number 7, which is a makeup set setting spray. During these days, you are out all the time. Maybe you're working from day until the evening trying to prep everything for your arrangement at home. So you need a setting spray that's going to make your makeup last much longer. So keeping a setting spray handy is also really helpful during this time. And the last product that I want to recommend is a cuticle oil. Now during this season, there is a high chance that you are changing your nail paints very often to go with your outfits, and it may damage your nails and your cuticles. So this cuticle oil pen that I found on Amazon is actually a really cool product. It works wonders, keeps my cuticles very healthy and soft. When you tend to get your gel nails, done and removed, it really sort of damages your cuticles and there's so much buffing happening. So you need to be applying this cuticle oil to keep your cuticles healthy. I said cuticles so many times. But anyway, I'm going to link all these products down below for you guys, so make sure to check those out. So that was it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was a quick video where I wanted to share these grooming products with you all. Let me know in the comments down below if you already use these or plan to use any of these. That's it for today. I'm going to sign off and I will see you guys in another festive video really soon.